Hey, Jason Hopkins here. So the topic I'd like to discuss is people that are starting, a business for the first time, who are, starting, to market a business for the first time, who are, they're being trained these tactics, and these tactics are not really, they're not that effective, and it's not, helping them generate leads and making sales for their business. So if you're one of those people that are struggling, to generate leads, to get sales for your business, and you're not sure, exactly how to do that, and if you're not getting the right, training, then you want to pay close attention to what I'm going to share with you. Now, before I begin, just want to let you know that I'm not an expert. You know, what I speak from is from my own personal experience. So, here's the problem. You start a business, you know, you're pumped, you're excited, you know, you're excited about, you want to sell your business to, you want to share your opportunity to your friends and your family, right? And right away, boom, you make the pitch. And after that, what usually happens? They say either they just flat out just say no, right? Or, you try to, then after that you go to your cold market, right? And you market to, you know, to people you don't know. And of course, they'll say things like, well, let me think about it. Let me give it some thought. Or someone just, just flat out say, hey, I'm not interested. So at that point, you're probably like just ready to, you're ready to quit, because, I know what it feels like. It gets frustrating. You get worried that, that you won't that you're not going to break even on what you invest every month. So I know how it feels because I've talked to a lot of people who are new to, you know, network marketing or affiliate marketing, and they do, you're doing things where you're marketing offline, where you go to shopping malls, or you do house meetings. Or if you're doing it online, you're marketing your business on social media platforms like, Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or whatever. And this is tactics that you're getting from your sponsor. They're telling you to do these things, and they're telling you, like, if you're on Facebook, they tell you, oh, just, you know, post ads on Facebook groups. Well, if this is what your sponsor has been telling you, I'm here to tell you that's not the right way to market. One, the people that you are pitching to, they have no idea who you are. Two, you're not finding what interests these people that you're talking to. All you're doing is, you're talking about yourself and you're talking about your business, you know. And like, I've made the same mistakes you might have made, you know, when I started network marketing. I was taught the same tactics, hard selling to, to people that, just will just flat out say no to you because they don't know who the hell you are. You know, they're gonna, like, they're they're just they're just not interested, you know, and that kind of thing, will result to, people just running away from you. And the thing is, we don't like being sold to. So if you don't like being sold to, what makes you think other people are gonna like it? People are, in this business, they're being taught the wrong way in how to market a business, and not in that, and they're not, and it's not getting them the leads and the sales. It's not getting them results, and that's what you want. You want results, right? And and if posting ads in Facebook groups, and using any other, social networking platform was that easy, don't you think everyone would be doing it? So what you have to work on is, you got to talk to people. You must find out what people are interested in. You want to, build relationships with that person. You want to target that person's pain. You want to target, you want to know their struggle. You want to, talk to them as if, they're, you know, like they're your friend, somebody you knew for a long time. The only thing these days, people are interested in are themselves. So you have to find what people you talk to are interested in. That being said, if you would like, if you would like to know more, if you would like to grab another, if you would like more tips, or if you need, the type of, do you need the if you need the tools that, that helps myself and other people in my community how to market, business more effectively, you know, what you want to do is click the link below and, find out, how the information that I provide, you know, could, you know, better serve you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.